So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Nifty. So we'll see how the SGX Nifty has reacted today. So today we have seen it has gone above the 12,000 level and currently it is trading near above the 12,100 level. So what are the main reasons? So we know that in USA we are seeing the presidential elections. So because of that we are seeing much volatility in the markets. So today also we have seen a very good movement. It was trying to break the 12,000 but that momentum was not being generated even though it has been fluctuating near 11,900 rupees level. So we need to watch on tomorrow what will be the next level. So everything will be discussed. So we'll discuss even the open interest of the Nifty, and also we'll go on to the technical charts to see what can be the next possible levels. So watch the video till end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So if we see the US presidential election, so we know that currently they are being in ongoing situation. So if we see who is in lead, so clearly you can see Mr. Joe Biden, he is currently in the lead and only 6 states are left out to decide who is the final winner of this and who will be the upcoming president. So we can see Donald Trump is lagging little bit. So we thought that markets will start falling if Donald Trump doesn't win. So but either or situation may happen, so completely we cannot decide at this particular moment. So on that note, so we are seeing heavy volatility in the markets, and if you see even the Nasdaq as well as Dow Jones today, if you see Nasdaq, it has almost touched 4% positive movement. So that much amount of high volatility is currently present in the market. So if you're having any positions, whether it may be option buying, so it may be very we can say volatility may be present, so you need to be very cautious. So when you're buying any put or any option buying, if you're doing any sort of options, so definitely there should be a hedging position. If you're doing naked options, so definitely it will be very risky. Okay, so you need to remember this. Whenever events are present, you need to be very cautious when you're trading on indices, especially Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Okay, so now we'll see the technical charts of Nifty. So before going to the technical chart, so currently this is what we're discussing, that Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq. So you can see Dow Jones almost 2.25% positive movement, and also Nasdaq, you can see it has gone again above the 11,603.71 level, and currently it is almost showing 3.9% positive movement. So huge positive movement is seen. So generally whenever US markets start showing positive momentum, so we know that it will same be efficient in our markets as well. So whenever US markets increase, our markets also will start increasing. So if you see our markets, that is Nifty 50 future, so you can see currently it is near 12,131 almost. You can see huge positive movement. Also Bank Nifty, you can see 25,683, and rest of all you can see Nasdaq almost 4.58, so that is included 781, 11,781 is the positive movement that we are seeing in Nasdaq as well. So huge shifts are being seen. So heavy volatility will be present tomorrow as well. So if you're doing any sort of intraday trading, then you need to be little cautious. If you're doing especially options, futures, or it may be stocks related as well, you may see volatility. So as we discussed some good quality stocks in our previous videos, hope you have added all those stocks. So definitely tomorrow you may see some good positive momentum in the all stocks. So when we see the Nifty technical chart, so this is the 1-day chart. So 1-day chart, clearly you can see the 12,000 rupees level, so which the market was facing a little resistance in the near term. So that is a very strong resistance, and we are seeing a good open interest at 12,000 level as well. So tomorrow obviously it will break the 12,000 level and it will start moving upward. So 12,000 is a very good support. So people who want to watch, especially if you want to do any option trade, so you can take 12,000 as a very good support. So if we see what are the supports, so supports we have seen 11,750 is right now a very good support for it. and you may assume that between 11,750 and 12,200 and above, you may see the market may be fluctuating tomorrow as well. So volatility will be present, so you need to assume that so once this new breakout will come, so again it will start moving in that particular journey till certain period of time. So again after that we may see the correction. So this is the basic idea that you need to understand. So now we'll go to Nifty Bank as well. So we'll see that as well on the technical charts. So when we see Nifty Bank, so you can see Nifty Bank was having a very good resistance near the 25,000 level. So when it has started moving the 25,000, when it has given breakout from the 25,000 and it has sustained and it has maintained that particular level, so you can see clearly a doji type of candle is formed. So not completely a doji, so green color candle has been formed and it has closed. So you can see the closing is above the support, that is base level, that is 25,000 rupees level. So definitely tomorrow this will also, as we've seen in futures, and also since it is giving a good closing above the resistance, that is a strong resistance from where we have seen a very good correction. So you can see the correction and again the retrieval, again breakout. So definitely, so Nifty Bank, so people are holding let's say calls in this particular, definitely you will be seeing some good positive momentum. So even though tomorrow is the weekly expiry, so we are seeing some trending market, so that much consolidation we may not see, volatility will be present. So if we see the option chain of Nifty, so this is simplified option chain. So I'm not showing NSE type of option chain. So it may be little bit of complicated. So this is we can say little simplified way of understanding the option chain analysis. So this is what is known as call open interest. So red color one is the calls and the green color one is the puts. So you need to understand this. So red nothing but is implies that call open interest signifies the resistance and the put open interest signifies what is the next possible supports. So where can you see the next possible resistances? So if you see the amount of open interest, so what are these, what is this percentages or saying call writing? So whenever we see decrease, so that is nothing but the call writing. Percentage decrease is nothing but the call writing. So what is call writing? So whenever we buy call, we are bullish. So whenever we sell call, selling call is nothing but call writing. So when we are selling call, that is nothing but the bearishness. So you can see near, we are having near the 12,000 rupees level, as well as we are having at 12,200 as well as 12,300. So 12,300 as well as 10,000, 12,200 are very strong resistances for Nifty. So since it has given breakout from 12,000 rupees level, so 12,200 as well as 12,300 are the resistances. So what are the supports? So you can see supports wise, so nothing much we are seeing near the buying side, so that is the put writing. So you're not seeing much we can say interest, so open interest that much is not present. So mainly we are seeing near the 1750, so that is what we have discussed, 1700 as well as the 1600 followed by 1500. So not the 750, so 1700, 1600 and 1500 are the basic supports. So where we are seeing 1500, so 11,500 is the strong support for the Nifty. Okay, so this is the open interest and that is the option chain analysis. So hope you're having an idea. So people are new to this, so definitely we have discussed in earlier videos as well how to read the option chain. I hope you have watched all the videos. So this is the view of Nifty. So tomorrow we'll see some volatility in the markets. So you need to cautiously trade if you're doing any sort of trading. And we have discussed some very good quality stocks in our previous videos. So Root Mobile is also showing correction. Reliance is also showing correction. So earlier it was down. So currently we have seen little positive movements, so not much positive movements, as well as Aarti Drugs. So keep an eye on them. So definitely I'll update in the Telegram as well. So if you have not joined the Telegram, definitely join that. So this is all about Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So if you like the video, definitely like and subscribe. So until then, take care. Bye bye.